This is the brown list. Number 1 is crop. The crop of beans is ready to be picked. Number 2 is done. My homework is done. I'm going to go play outside. Number 3 is dune. We went to the beach but really enjoyed playing in the sand dune. Number 4 is crab. While at the beach, I saw a crab burrow in the sand. Number 5 is cape. Many superheroes wear a cape. Number 6 is have. I have 6 shells in my bucket, but I plan to collect 4 more. Number 7 is race. The race began when Mr. Williams said, "On your marks, get set, go." Number 8 is note. Miss Quintero told us what note we needed to play on the recorder. Number 9 is wax. I see the wax dripping off the candle. Number 10 is skin. My skin got burned because I didn't use enough sunscreen. Number 11 is wife. The husband and wife took a trip after their wedding. Number 12 is tide. I played in the tide pools while we were at the beach. Number 13 is drip. The water continued to drip because I didn't turn the faucet all the way off. Number 14 is which. I am not sure which special I like better, whether it's Spanish or library. Number 15 is mule. The mule carried our packages down into the Grand Canyon. Number 16 is rule. I like our school rule about being safe. Number 17 is safe. The runner was safe at home plate. Number 18 is lots. Many parking lots have a place for you to pay because there's a fee to use them. Number 19 is gum. If you chew gum, you should make sure that you throw it into the garbage can when you're finished. Number 20 is vote. We're going to vote for our student council representatives. Number 21 is wipe. I had to wipe off my windshield because it was raining.